Hello friends, on this video how you can record slow motion video or create slow motion video. Suppose you don't know how to record slow motion video on your device. Okay, so friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, you have to move on camera. You have to slide on the side, tap on more. No need to tap also, you just slide to more. After that, in this feature you are going to find here to slow mo. So click on slow mo. When you click on slow mo, it says shoot in well. Okay, just press on this red button. Okay, let's so here I have recorded some slow motion video you can find here. And friends, you just tap on it, don't need to press. Okay, see, I have just tap on it, and how the chicken is moving. See, in slow motion. Okay, and you too, you can record slow motion video easily like this. Okay, I'll show you again another one, little bit different. Here I have recorded some video, you can check here. You can record like this slow motion video easily, but you can record nicely value so that it can capture nicely. Okay, not so rudely. Okay friends, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.